walang masama na depensahan natin ang ating sarili pag tayo ay sinasaktan at iniinsulto ng iba. There's nothing wrong when we protect ourselves, when we defend ourselves, most especially when other people try to harm us, malign us, and insult us. Tandaan niyo po yan. Ang ating Panginoon ininsulto sa Ebanghelyo, but He did not take it sitting down. Narinig niyo po, dinepensahan niya ang kanyang sarili. Sumagot siya. Masama ba ang ginawa niya? Hindi. Tama lang. Kasi kung hindi siya sasagot, baka akalain nga ng ibang tao, tama yung paninira nila tungkol sa kanya. Amen? He spoke up because he wanted to defend himself. And there was nothing wrong by defending himself. Jesus did no wrong by defending himself. At ganyan din po ang paalaala sa atin. Kung pagdidepensahan mo ang sarili mo, don't feel bad. Huwag kang makonsensya because you're doing nothing wrong. You are just exercising your right